I'm Tanner here with East Tennessee Tree Service. We're here at a client's house today. Individual tried to cut a tree, went wrong and landed on his neighbor's house. We're about to start picking it off. We're going to start getting limbs that don't have pressure on them. And then once we find the pressure, we're going to try and pick the whole tree and set it on the ground to make it a little bit safer for us. That's about it. We're going to get rolling here, y'all. Have a good day.